Understanding Structural Dynamics in Engineering. Hi dear friends, in this clip we'll go through some introductory points about structural dynamics. So, structural dynamics, as a subdiscipline of civil engineering, is concerned with understanding the behavior of structures when subjected to dynamic loadings such as earthquakes, wind, and waves. The fundamental goal is to predict the motion of structures and the associated forces during various types of dynamic events. The field of structural dynamics involves the analysis of structures that are either continuously interacting with their environments or experiencing unpredictable dynamic events. Unlike static analysis, which deals with loads that don't change over time, dynamic analysis considers forces that vary with respect to time. Dynamic loading leads to the vibrations of the structure and can cause significant displacements, stresses, and strains. Hence, it's paramount to understand how structures respond to these conditions to ensure their integrity and safety. Key concepts in structural dynamics. Natural frequency. Every structure has its own natural frequency of vibration, which depends on its parameters like stiffness, mass, and boundary conditions. It is at this frequency that the structure oscillates when disturbed. Mode shapes. These are the patterns of deformation that a structure undergoes at its natural frequencies. Each mode shape corresponds to a specific frequency and illustrates how different parts of a structure move relative to each other. Damping. Damping refers to the dissipation of energy in a vibrating system. It is a crucial factor in structural dynamics as it determines how quickly a structure returns to its equilibrium position when disturbed. Response spectrum method. This method is used in earthquake engineering to determine how ground motions affect structures. It involves calculating the maximum response of a structure to a spectrum of possible dynamic loads, represented by an earthquake acceleration record. Finite element analysis, FEA. FEA is a computational technique used in structural dynamics to simulate how a structure behaves under various loading conditions. Thank you for watching. In future we will come with such introductory and informative concept regarding civil engineering. For support, kindly share and subscribe our channel.